If you're anything like me, when you wake up in the morning, you've got one thing on your mind, and that is a mission to go catch as many fish as possible before the sun goes down. Fishing boats is a very broad term because there is a ton of different types of fishing. Typically, your center consoles are going to be your boats geared most towards fishing. You've also got your offshore sport fishers that are meant for chasing down 1,000-pound marlin and tunas. These boats are typically going to come equipped with extra rod holders, storage, and of course live wells for your live baits. As far as what's powering these boats, there's a great mix between your inboard diesels on the sport fishers and also your outboards on your smaller center consoles. And today, it's not uncommon to see 2, 3, or even 4 outboards on some of these fishing machines. When it's time to get real and make fish fear you, come on in, look at a fishing boat that is geared exactly towards the type of fish that you're trying to catch. Now there's 2 main options here when we're talking about offshore fishing. You have the fast center consoles with all those engines to get you out in the morning, fish as long as possible, shoot back at sunset, and you're home sleeping in your own bed. However, with some of the big sport fishers, they have the capabilities to spend days or even weeks offshore if needed. These boats are going to be built a little bit tougher, they're going to be built a little bit stronger, they're meant to handle a little bit more nasty weather. And not to mention, with recent technology with gyro stabilizers, these boats provide a more stable platform than ever before. Whether you're looking to join your nearest tournament trail offshore and get competitive, or you're just looking to catch the biggest fish in the ocean, your offshore fishing boats are the boat for you.